Having a look today at the MSI Aegis R2 gaming desktop computer. And what I really appreciate about this system is that MSI has pre-assembled it. This is something that you can just go into a store like a Memory Express or a Canada Computers, and it's ready to go off the shelf. And it is a beautiful system, but it's also packed with power at the same time. I've got the white model here. I've paired it up with a nice MSI gaming monitor. It does come complete with the white MSI keyboard and mouse, and the attention to detail in here is quite stunning. You can see everything matches the white, even the hardware, the RAM, the graphics card. And I really love what they've done with the LED lighting here too. And you can actually customize that. We'll talk a little bit about that. So what kind of power are we talking about? This is a 14th generation Intel Core i7 processor. It's got an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super Series gaming card, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and also it does have a 2 terabyte SSD for storage. As far as ports, this thing is packed. It's got the USB 2.0, USB 3.2, and also USB-C 3.2 as well. So needless to say, you're not going to run out of USB ports anytime soon. On the back also, there are 3 HDMI ports. It's got a display port, and something that I really appreciate, it's got the latest Wi-Fi standard, Wi-Fi 7. I just recently upgraded my home to a Wi-Fi 7 router. Now I don't have to worry about running cabling or anything like that because I know Wi-Fi 7 is going to be the fastest throughput. I don't have to worry about speeds or anything like that. Customizability, this thing is pretty good. You can go into the MSI Centre here. Right now I'm looking at the hardware monitoring, but you can go in and use the Mystic Light app. This will actually give you control over all the different components here to change how they actually are with their colors and if they're blinking or having a rainbow effect. It's really quite cool because this system's so beautiful, you want this on your desktop, not hiding underneath. Cooling is another important thing that MSI is really well known for. It's got AI cooling. It's called Frozr AI cooling. So it's monitoring the CPU and GPU to make sure that it's always at an optimum temperature. And they've also got instant 360 millimeter liquid cooling in here as well, which is nice. So again, you don't have to worry about this overheating. As far as accessibility, super easy to get in here. The glass panel actually is one screw and comes right off, so you can go in and upgrade to your heart's content. If you want more information about this system, make sure you read the description below. If you want to find out more videos on desktops and laptops, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button to let us know when we've got new material coming out.